Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add borders to images. Whether you're polishing a presentation, creating a thumbnail, or just giving your visuals a clean finish, adding a border, often called a stroke, is a quick way to make an image stand out and feel intentional. Borders help give your images structure, making them more eye-catching, and can even improve your branding by providing a cohesive look across all your visuals. This simple technique can really elevate the presentation of your images, especially if you're using them for something like product listings on your Shopify store, where visuals are key to attracting customers. Start by opening your project and navigating to the image you want to enhance. Whether you're working in a design tool like Canva, Photoshop, or a similar platform, this step is pretty straightforward. Click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the usual selection handles or a highlight around it. This is important because the next controls only appear when the image is active. Without selecting the image, you won't be able to adjust the border or any other settings, so make sure it's highlighted properly. Look to the toolbar above your canvas. You should see an icon that looks like a set of horizontal lines. That's the stroke style control. If you don't immediately spot it, don't worry. It's often grouped with other appearance or outline options and may only show up once something is selected. Go ahead and click that icon to open your stroke styles. If you're using Shopify for product images or creating promotional materials, you'll likely use this feature quite a bit to keep your visuals consistent and polished across your store. Once you've opened the stroke style options, you'll see a range of styles to choose from. These typically include solid, dashed, or dotted outlines, and sometimes variations in how the stroke aligns with the edge of the image. For example, you might have options for an inner, outer, or centered stroke, each offering a slightly different effect. Pick the style that best fits the tone of your project. Solid strokes are clean and versatile, giving a professional, modern feel that works well for most applications. Dashed or dotted styles, on the other hand, can add a lighter, more playful touch. These are great for projects where you want to bring in a bit of fun or creativity, like if you're designing a promotion or campaign targeting a younger audience. As you hover or select your image, the preview should update, so you can see exactly how it looks. This is a great opportunity to experiment with different styles and see what works best for your design. Visual feedback is key here. Watch how the border changes to get a feel for what complements your image and layout the most. You might even find that adjusting the border style helps make certain details of your image pop more effectively. Next, adjust the stroke weight using the slider labeled Stroke Weight. This slider controls how thick or thin your border appears. Sliding to the right increases the weight for a bolder, more prominent outline, while sliding to the left keeps it more subtle. Think about the overall effect you want. A thin stroke can add polish without drawing too much attention, giving your image a professional, minimalist look. On the other hand, a heavier stroke can help an image command focus on a busy page or within a crowded layout. It's all about balance and making sure the image stands out without overwhelming the rest of your content. A good rule of thumb is to consider contrast and scale. Larger images can handle slightly heavier weights, which will help them stand out more, whereas small images often look cleaner with a lighter touch. This helps avoid making them feel too heavy or cluttered. For example, if you're adding borders to product images on your Shopify store, use heavier borders for your hero images or large banners, and lighter borders for smaller items or thumbnails to create visual hierarchy. Take a moment to gauge the result in the context of your layout. Aim for consistency across multiple images so your design feels cohesive. If something looks off, don't hesitate to fine-tune by nudging the weight or switching to a different stroke style until it feels balanced. Remember, consistency is key to creating a polished, professional look for your store. You can even try applying the same style and weight across multiple images to keep things uniform. And that's all there is to it. Click the image, open the stroke style from the horizontal lines icon, choose your preferred style, and use the stroke weight slider to dial in the perfect thickness. With just these quick adjustments, your images will have a clear, polished edge that elevates your entire project. Whether you're designing for your Shopify store, creating promotional material, or just adding finishing touches to a personal project, borders are a simple yet effective way to give your visuals a clean and professional look. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how these small tweaks can make a big impact on your designs.